Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what you need: a straight metal needle, something to magnetize it with, and a float like a cork or leaf. Once gathered, lay out a shallow dish of water and clear the surface so the float can turn freely. While you work, make sure the needle is clean and dry. Oil or rust interferes with magnetization. This first step gets you from zero to ready. Prepare materials quickly and move to magnetizing the needle without delay. Now magnetize the needle. Stroke it in one direction with a magnet or run it 30 to 50 times along silk or fabric. Once magnetized, carefully lay the needle on your cork or leaf so it balances and floats. Set the float in the water away from metal items and wait. The needle will slowly align with Earth's magnetic field. If it spins or drifts, restroke the needle the same way and recenter it on the float until it reliably points. With the needle steady, call the end pointing toward magnetic north and mark that direction against nearby landmarks. Once done, verify using the sun or a watch if you can. This confirms your reading and helps adjust for declination if you know local variation. When traveling, pick a distant object on your heading and move toward it. If the needle sticks or drifts, remagnetize, remove nearby metal interference, rebalance the float, and keep the improvised compass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.